To hang out. 2 meanings, 8 examples, and synonyms of this phrasal verb. The first meaning of the verb. To hang out is to spend time relaxing or socializing with friends. They hung out together all summer. They hung out together all summer. Let's hang out after work. Let's hang out after work. She hangs out with her classmates after school. She hangs out with her classmates after school. I love to hang out with my friends on weekends. I love to hang out with my friends on weekends. The second meaning. To hang out is to spend time in a particular place. Kids love to hang out at the playground. Kids love to hang out at the playground. They hang out at the library after classes. They hang out at the library after classes. Where do you hang out on weekends? Where do you hang out on weekends? We usually hang out at the cafe near the park. We usually hang out at the cafe near the park. Synonyms for the verb to hang out. To spend time together, to get together, to socialize, to chill out, to meet up, to gather, to hang around, to frequent. If you found the video helpful, please give it a like.